Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do your analysis on boom and crash in order to take profitable entries. Alright, in order to have an understanding of what the market is doing. Alright, so if you are interested, make sure you don't skip any part of this video because there is a lot you would miss. Alright, so first thing I do, as you all know, I first of all try to identify the trend of the market. Judging from what I'm seeing here right now, I think we are in an uptrend, right? So after identifying that, I'll go down to the 4 hours time frame in order to have a clearer view of what the market is doing. So here on the 4-hour time frame, I see that price is far away from my trend line. So I'm going to put in another trend line right here. Alright. As you all know, I'm a scalper and I need quick entry as soon as possible. Alright, so here on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I've got, and then now I'll move to the 1-hour time frame. Alright, in order to have a clearer view. So here on the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we are still in an uptrend, right? So what I'm doing now is try to look for my entry, trying to mark out my setups and then look for a better entry. Alright, so here on the 30-minute time frame, this is what I will do. I'll put in some trend line here, a counter trend line, right? So that when price breaks through this, I will know that yes, my confirmation has been met. Alright, so as you can see here on the 30-minute time frame, there is a counter trend line above there. Now I'll move to the 15-minute time frame to see what's going on. Alright, so as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, price is kind of very far from the trend line. Alright, so I'll still put in another counter trend line here. Alright, so whenever you are drawing this, make sure you are marking out the wicks. Alright, use the wick. Alright, that's what I mean to say. Whenever you are marking your trend line, use the wick of the candle. Alright, the tips. Right, so that's what I did. So this is what happened right here. Price struggled here, got bounced back, and then it eventually broke through it, and now you can see the retest is happening here. So which means any moment from now, price will start buying to the upside. Alright, so this is boom 1000, and I'm somebody that don't trade against spike, and this market right now is something that I will use to catch spike. So it's a great opportunity for me to wait for my condition and then I'll take my entries. Right, so judging from where price is right now, I want you guys to look at this line. You will see that price is in a very strong support and resistance level. Right, price is currently in a very strong support level, so there is every probability that it will bounce back. So as you can see, I want you all to be looking at this line. That's the line I'm using. So you can see that price is retesting this place. There is a support and resistance zone here. The price is retesting, and then it eventually broke, retest, and then continue to the upside. So you can see that this is a very strong support and resistance zone. You can see that coming to the current place of the market. All right, and as you can see, it's already reversing because there was a small spike just now, and I think it's trying to go up. Right, so here now I have every reason and every right to take my entry. All right, and that is what I will be doing immediately I finish this video. All right, so now this is what I have to show you guys today, and if it doesn't go our way, you all know how the market works. Sometimes it's not the way you predict the market that it will go, but we still try and take entries sometimes, because we already know the game. There is losses and winning. It's a 50-50 stuff. All right, but if you minimize your risks, that's when you are going to be safe. All right, you minimize the risk and then you maximize the profit. So that is how it works, right? So if it goes against me, this is what will happen. It will go retest and then continue to the downside. And currently, if it goes according to my prediction, you can see it's already going according to that. And this is the retest, and I'm expecting it to start going up. All right, so guys, these are the two ways this market is going to go right now. And if it starts going up, this is going to be my TP area, right? The trend line above here. And if it breaks through the trend line retest, I will still buy again to the upside. All right, so this is how you approach these things. All right, so and that is what I've shown you guys in this video. All right, as you guys know, I post video every day, so any analysis I made is currently for that day, so you can use this as an opportunity to also be making money. All right, so to the new viewers, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys for watching. See you out.